Hello everyone! So this is my Walgreens haul for this week, August 25 to August 31 of 2024. So I did multiple transactions and thank you so much to all the staff of Walgreens. So in my first transaction, I finally completed my 6th trip that when you spend 40, you will get a $25 Walgreens cash reward. So in this card, I get that booster. In the other card, I did not get that booster. And in my first transaction, I use also my digital booster. It's spend 45 and get $10 Walgreens cash reward, so I don't have paper booster. So I combine the deal of the Tresemme, the body wash, and then the Lysol. So the Tresemme is buy 2 and you will get a $5 Walgreens cash reward. So this is priced for $6. So I picked the Keratin Smooth shampoo and then the other one is conditioner. There is $5 off 2 Tresemme digital coupon. So this is what I got. It's 828 ml. And this is my note for the Tresemme. So the 2 items are $12. I used the $5 off 2 Tresemme digital coupon. I paid $7 and then I got my $5 Walgreens cash reward, making it $2 or $1 each. And then in Fetch, there is an offer also that when you spend 20, you will get a 5,000 points or $5. So the Tresemme and the Dove body wash is part of the promotion. The Dove hair care, it did not catch, so it's not included to the promotion. So I got my $5 Walgreens cash reward in the Tresemme. And then the Dove body wash is $10, and when you buy 2, you will get a $3 Walgreens cash reward. And then there is $6 off 2 Dove digital coupon. So I picked the sensitive skin and pampering shea butter and vanilla. And this is the 905 ml. And this is my note for the Dove. So it's priced for $10 and the 2 are $20, less the $6 of 2 Dove digital coupon. I paid $14. I got my $3 Walgreens cash reward, making it $11 or $5.50 each. And then the Lysol or Airwick household product is spend 15 and you will get a $3 registered reward. So the Lysol wipes, this is $5.99. There is $1 digital coupon in Walgreens app. The Lysol air sanitizer, this is $7.29. There is $3 digital coupon also in Walgreens app. And then the Lysol laundry sanitizer, this is $7.29. There is $2 digital coupon. But in this card, I use the paper coupon instead. So I use one of the $2 and $3 printable coupon from coupon.com. So this is my note for the Lysol. So the 3 items are $20.57 less the $1 Lysol wipes digital coupon, $3 Lysol air sanitizer printable coupon from coupon.com, $2 Lysol laundry sanitizer from coupon.com also. So it's $2. So I paid $14.57. I got my $3 register reward. It's not here because I already used that in the other transaction. Then I submitted my receipt in Ibotta. I got $1 for the Lysol wipe. You can buy 3 of the Lysol if you want the wipes, and the rebate in Ibotta is limit of 5. So making it $10.57 for 3 items or $3.52 each. So here my total before coupons is $52.57. So I'm qualified for the spend 45 and get $10 Walgreens cash reward. I use $17 coupon, so printable and digital coupon. Then I use $17 register reward that I got last week. So here I paid $18.57 after using the coupon and register reward. I got $44.32 Walgreens cash reward in total. That is the $10 for digital booster, 32 cents for everyday points, $25 is for the 6th trip when you spend 40, and then the $5 is from the Tresemme, and $3 Walgreens cash reward from the Dove. I got my $3 register reward from the Lysol. And then I got $5 or 5,000 points in Unilever promotion that when you spend 20, you will get a 5,000 points. Then I got $1 in Ibotta. So I got $53.32 in total. So that's what I earned. Less to my out-of-pocket, $18.52. And to the register reward that I use, $17. My first transaction is free plus $17.80 money maker. It was awesome. And this is my receipt. So all the coupons applied and the printable coupon also applied. So here is $18.57. And then I got $44.32 Walgreens cash reward. Then the register reward printed also. And then in my second transaction, I did the Dove deal again. The Dove hair care. So the Dove and Tresemme, they are in the same promotion. So you can combine the Dove and Tresemme because they're giving Walgreens cash rewards. So you will get two $5 Walgreens cash reward if you combine the Tresemme and the Dove. But I just separate this one. So the Dove is $4 or $2 for 8, and when you buy 2, you will get a $5 Walgreens cash reward. So I picked the Dove Intense Repair Shampoo. And then I use one of this printable coupon from Instagram Fairy. So I will link her email address and also her link on how you can order the printable coupon. So this is my note. So the two are $8, less the $3 of 2 Dove printable coupon, and then the $2 of Dove digital coupon came off also. So I paid $3 and then I got my $5 Walgreens cash reward, making it free plus $2 money maker. And this is my receipt. So it's $8 and then the $2 digital coupon for Dove came off. And then $3 printable coupon. So I just paid $3. And then I got my $5 Walgreens cash reward and then 50 cents also for everyday point. And then in my third transaction, I did again the Dove. So I picked the shampoo and then the conditioner. So it's 2 for 8, buy 2 get $5 Walgreens cash reward. So I use again one of this printable coupon from Instagram Fairy. So here, the two are $8 less the $3 of 2 Dove printable coupon. I paid $5 and then I got my $5 Walgreens cash reward, making it free. So this is my receipt. So I just redeemed a Walgreens cash reward. So I just wrote the Walgreens cash reward that I earned in the second transaction. And then I got again $5.03. So this is my fourth transaction. So I use my account in this transaction. In the first, second, and third, I use my husband's account. So I did again the deal of the Tresemme, Dove, and then the Lysol or Airwick. And then I have a spend $45 and get $10 digital booster. So I don't have paper booster. So the Tresemme is $6 and when you buy 2, you will get a $5 Walgreens cash reward. So I picked the Effortless Wave shampoo and then 1 conditioner. And this is my note for the Tresemme. So the two are $12 less the $5 of 2 Tresemme digital coupon. I paid $7. I got my $5 Walgreens cash reward, making it $2 or $1 each. And then the Dove Women's Body Wash or Dove Men Bath Care is $10 and when you buy 2, you will get a $3 Walgreens cash reward. So I picked the Relaxing and then the other one is Antibacterial Care. And this is my note for the Dove. The two are $20 less the $6 of 2 Dove digital coupon. I paid $14. I got my $3 Walgreens cash reward, making it $11 or $5.50 each. And then the Lysol and Airwick spend $15 and get $3 register reward. So the Airwick Vibrant, this is the 2 count. This is $6.99. There is $2 digital coupon. And then the Lysol air sanitizer is $7.29. There is $3 digital coupon. And then the Lysol laundry sanitizer is $7.29. And then there is $2 digital coupon. So in this transaction, it's all digital coupon. And this is my note for the Lysol and Airwick. So the three items are $21.57, less the $2 Airwick digital coupon, $3 Lysol air sanitizer digital coupon, $2 Lysol laundry sanitizer digital coupon. I paid $14.57. Then I got my $3 register reward, making it $11.57 for 3 or $3.85 each. So my total before coupons is $53.57, less the manufactured coupon is $18. And then I used the register reward that I earned in the first transaction. So it's total $16. And I also used some of the remaining register reward. So I paid $19.57. Then I got my $18.53 Walgreens cash reward. That is $10 for digital booster, 53 cents from Everyday Points, $5 from the Tresemme, and $3 from the Dove body wash. And then I got my $3 register reward from the Lysol deal. And then 500 points or $5 from the Fetch promotion that when you spend 20, you will get a 5,000 points. It's a limit of 5. So I got $26.53 in total. So here, my out-of-pocket is $18.52 plus $17 register reward that I use. So total are $35.52. Less to the money that I earned, $26.53. My transaction is $8.99 for 7 items or $1.28 each. So this is my receipt. So everything went smoothly. All the coupons apply. There is no beeping also in the register reward. So here is $19.57. I use a gift card, $7.77. Then after that, my total is $13.93. The gift card is from the P&G promotion that I got. And then here I got my $18.53 Walgreens cash reward. And then in my 5th transaction, I did again the deal of Dove. So it's the same card. It's buy 2 and you will get a $5 Walgreens cash reward. So I picked the Intense Repair Shampoo. And then I use again one of this $3 printable coupon. And then the $2 Dove digital coupon came off. Because the cashier manually key in the coupon. So the 2 are $8 less the $3 of 2 Dove printable coupon. Then the $2 of Dove digital coupon came off. I paid $3. I got my $5 Walgreens cash reward, making it free. And this is my receipt. So here, the coupon, the digital coupon came off, and then the printable coupon, my total is 3, and then I got $5.05. So in my 6th transaction, I bought 4 Dove hair care. So I got 4 conditioner. So it's buy 2 and get $5 Walgreens cash reward. And because it's Walgreens cash reward, you can combine and you can buy as many as you want. And then I used 2 of this $3 printable coupon from Instagram Fairy. And this is my note for the Dove. So it's buy 2 and get $5 Walgreens cash reward. So I bought 4 Dove for $16. I used $3 of 2 Dove printable coupon from Instagram Fairy. So total are $6. And then my $3 of 3 Dove or Tresemme digital coupon came off. I paid $7. I got my $10 Walgreens cash reward, making it free plus $3 money maker. So this is my receipt. So the $3 is the digital coupon, and then the $6 is the $3 that the cashier manually key in. So here I redeemed $5 Walkin Cash Reward. So I just paid $2. And then I got my $10 Walkin Cash Reward. So it's a nice deal on Dove. And I found some clearance item. There's a lot of clearance item when it comes to personal care or skincare, but I only grabbed the Olay because some of the items there I don't have a coupon. So this Olay is on clearance for $12.49. The good thing is we have $10 digital coupon for this Olay. And the regular price of this is $49.99. So I grabbed this, and this is my receipt. So it's on clearance for $12.49. And then the $10 digital coupon came off. So I paid $2.49 for this Olay. And then this Nabisco Oreo with the Star Wars logo is on clearance also for 65 cents. The regular price is $6.49. So I got 13 pieces in total, in which I will donate it to the school, to my daughter's class, because they always ask for a snack. But my husband's opened already one of this. I want to taste if it's good or not, and he said it's really good. So I got 13 pieces of this Oreo, and this is my receipt for that. So it's 65 cents. So the 13 pieces is $8.45. So it's a nice find, and they're starting to tag some items to put on clearance. So here, my final cost in my first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth transaction, my total money maker is $24.80. My out-of-pocket for that is $8.99, making my transaction free and $15.81 money maker. And even I include the clearance find, it's still a money maker. So this week is a nice week to buy some household product in Walgreens because there's amazing deal. Also the paper towel, the Bounty, the Angel Soft. I grabbed some paper towel also, but I did not include in this deal. So thank you so much guys for watching, and have a blessed day everyone.